Are you sure you want to delete your account? Alright, well be careful, I'll show you how to do it. So you want to delete your RTM account? Really simple. Just go on up to the gear icon, click on account settings. On the first page here, scroll down, click on close your account. And then it'll bring you to this page where you can enter your password. Click yes, I really want to delete my account, and click the big red button. But obviously, if there are some kind of issues and whatnot, I definitely recommend contacting their support team first before making this decision. Unless you just have 2 accounts and you just want to get rid of the other one. That's totally cool. You also can change your email address, so you don't have to create a new account if you have a new email address you do want to use with your RTM account. A couple things to keep in mind, and that's it. Hopefully this doesn't ruin your day. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.